Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today we are going to learn the new chapter, chapter 24, Home and Abroad. By the topic, we can able to understand it is about our home and some other foreign country. So here in this topic, we are going to learn about Abu Dhabi. Today, there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chitapan and his family were coming home after 5 years. 5 years ago, Chitapan had got job in the capital city of United Arab Emirates, UAE, which is called as Abu Dhabi. Since then, they lived there. Malu and her father went to airport to receive them. So they were living in the United Arab Emirates for their job and they were returning after 5 years. So Malu and her father were in the airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passengers had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chitapen and Kunjama and their two children could see coming out. How big Shanta and Sasi have grown, Appa said. So they can able to observe that the passengers were taking their luggages and their family members, Chittapan and his wife and their two children were coming out. Soon, the many suitcases and bags were fitted to the taxi, and everyone was on the way to Maulu's house. So now they were on the way to Maulu's house. Santa, you must have been very tired because of the long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India, said Malu. So it is very long, so you might be very tired. We are not tired, even though it is far. Our flight took only 2 hours, said Santa. The plane flies very fast. So he is telling that we have arrived from the plane. So will take only the 2 hours, not more than that. So I'm not much tired. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone to a school trip to Chennai, they had spent almost 12 hours in the train, and on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu, Shanta, and Sasi chatted all on the way from home to airport. Malu remembered how much fun she had on the school trips. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about the trip from Abu Dhabi. So she was thinking that while moving in a train to Chennai it takes 12 hours, but in the flight it is only 2 hours to reach their place from Abu Dhabi. Dust all around. Did you see many interesting things from the plane? Asked Malu. Most of the time we saw only the clouds because of the plane was high, so high. Even higher than the clouds, said Santa. But before it was so high, we could see that we were flying over a sandy area. It was a sand, but color of the sand kept changing like white, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made up of sand. They are called as sand dunes, said Sasi. So it is made up of sand which have the different colors. It is called as sand dunes. I have seen the sand only at the seashore, said Malu. Then you should come to visit us, said Chitapen. So she is telling that I heard seen the sand, this kind of sand, only in the seashore area. The country around Abu Dhabi are located in the desert area. So desert area, there is no any vegetations. It is a empty area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see the miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. It is full of sand, no greeneries. So no plants, any other things. I used to dream of the thick greenery and cool water around your home in Kerala, said Kunjama. I was so happy to see all this after a long time. The children have almost forgotten how it feels when it rains. So they have forgotten how it feels while raining. So it will be very breeze and cool, right? You know it is almost never rain in the desert area. So in the desert area we could not able to see the rain, said Chitapen. Water is very precious over there. No rain, no rivers, no lake, no pond. Even below the ground there is no water. But added Sashi, there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So petrol is very easily available in these countries. In fact, Petrol is cheaper than water, said Chitapen. By this time, the taxi had reached Malu's house. Shanta and Sazi were surprised to see many fruit trees like coconut, banana, jackfruit, papaya, and betel nut. So many kinds of trees, Sazi said. We used to see only the one kind of tree there. It is date and plum because it is only the plant that grows in the desert area. So in that very sandy area only this kind of trees were growing. No other colorful fruits we could not able to see. The date is the most common fruit there. After they had met everyone, Gunjama unpacked their bags. She was opening her bag. They had brought many gifts to everyone. They gave the dates for everyone to eat. The date was very sweet and tasty. Sasi showed Malu some notes and coins. Shanta explained that the money have been used in Abu Dhabi was different and it was called as dirham. It had some writings in their local language in the Arabic. They also showed many photographs of the place where they lived. So they were seeing the things, the currencies, and Chitapen was given a Malu's a globe. So he had given a globe to Malu. She was able to locate Kerala, and she was enjoying that locate by locating the different places on the globe. Malu found the Chennai and Kochi also. In evening, everyone sat in the veranda and they were enjoying the breeze and looking the photograph which was taken in Abu Dhabi. So in Abu Dhabi, they could find tall buildings and which was covered with glasses as a window. So she is asking that. So you will open this window and you will get a very good breeze, right? But Chitapen said that no, we could not able to open this window. This is air conditioned inside. So everyone have to stay inside because it is very hot. So the people wear the loose cotton cloths and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protect them from the strong sun. Malu enjoyed looking at the pictures and finding about the other countries from her cousins. She constantly kept comparing her cities with the things that she described about Abu Dhabi. She decided that she would make a project report about Abu Dhabi for her class. So she got an idea like finding the different traditions and different ways how their other countries will be. So she started to prepare a project, the report on the Abu Dhabi to her class. So this is about the home and abroad. Thank you, children.